Hi, I'm Dr. Sean and congratulations for signing up for the FUT procedure. There is a special scalp exercise which I would like you to do, and I would like you to begin as early as possible. At least 2 weeks before, but even 1 week before is okay, even a few days before is okay. So how do you do it? The whole idea is to stretch the back of the scalp. The more you stretch it, right, the more I can remove, and the less pain and discomfort you're going to have, and the smaller scar you're going to have afterwards. So how do you do it? You clench your hands together, you put on the back of the scalp, and you physically move the skin up and down and up and down and up and down. And then you put it on the sides and you do the same thing. Ideally, you want to do it for 30 minutes a day, right? But it could be split up to 3 minutes at a time. And also, whenever you take a shower, warm water, then you clench your hands and move the skin up and down and up and down. And you could actually recline, if you have a recliner, and move the skin up and down. Again, remember that the scalp forces are like a pendulum. So you don't want to just do it here, you also want to do it above the ears. If you have a heat pad, you sleep on the heat pad for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you do the scalp exercise. And this will help out a lot. It will give me more flexibility, and you're going to have a smaller scar, less pain, less discomfort. Congratulations. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.